first trip we took in our new RV was to the Colorado River south of Las Vegas, Nevada. We met friends for a river rafting trip from Hoover Dam to Willow Beach. This section of the Colorado River, called Black Canyon, is not as wild as it once was due to the Hoover Dam. It's a 12-mile float from Hoover Dam to Willow Beach and requires a permit from a local rafting company. Although the river through the Black Canyon is calm, its views are spectacular. We saw desert bighorn sheep, ducks, cranes, and even a bald eagle. There's plenty of camping along the way, as well as many hot springs. We also stayed at the campground at Willow Beach Marina. There are 28 spots for $35 a night that offer water, sewer, and electrical, as well as showers and laundry. Although we now prefer dry camping, it was nice to have these amenities on our first RV trip. On our way home, we stopped to take a look at the Hoover Dam from the newly built Hoover Dam Bypass Bridge. The view shows the real toll of a 15-year drought and mismanaging water policies in the Southwest. The lake is currently at 55% capacity and getting lower every year. At the current rate of consumption from desert cities like Phoenix, Las Vegas, and Los Angeles, experts say that Lake Mead could dry up completely by the year 2021 and render the Hoover Dam useless by 2017. So if you would like to see this beautiful place, we suggest you do it soon.